Before use, first pour an appropriate amount of water into the water tray. Then gently push it horizontally into the bottom. Place the heat insulation reflector plate into the base. Put the heating tube assembly on the heat insulation reflector plate. Put the grill pan on the heating tube assembly. Correctly assemble the glass cover on the base by inserting the rod at the back of the cover into the rotating shaft seat. Insert the plug into the socket. All the indicators flash for a moment. The machine beeps once. Then the power indicator will flash red. Touch the power button to power on. The indicator will remain on constantly. This machine has 6 temperature settings, namely 200 Fahrenheit, 250 Fahrenheit, 300 Fahrenheit, 350 Fahrenheit, 400 Fahrenheit, 450 Fahrenheit. Touch the plus or minus button to switch the temperature setting. During the heating process, the circular temperature indicator lights will flash blue according to your setting. After heating is completed, the circular indicator lights remains on constantly. Touch the fan button to activate the fan function to prevent grease buildup. The fan indicator remains constantly red. Touch the fan button again to turn off the fan. Touch the power button again to enter the standby mode. The machine will stop heating and the indicator flashes. The fan function can be independently controlled regardless of whether the machine is heating or not. After cooking is completed, unplug the power cord and clean the pan, heat insulation reflector plate, water tray, etc., and store them properly for the next use.